I've been in the cleaning industry for about 30 years. But back in 2005, I was looking at the different type of carpet cleaning processes that are out there, and I just felt that there had to be a better way of cleaning carpets. I came across an oxygenated cleaning process, and I actually bought the concept, and then I hired a chemist. And I tried to take this concept of using a citrus all-natural cleaner with liquid oxygen. And working with him over 2 years, we developed the carpet and upholstery cleaner that we use now. The reason a person would want to choose Kwik Dry is our products are 100% natural. There are very few green companies out there. A lot of companies will say that they're green, but being truly green. We are a Green Seal certified company. Our products are 100% natural. We have a carpet and upholstery cleaning process that dries in about an hour. It's a low moisture cleaning process, so it's not like other cleaning processes that can take hours and hours to dry. As well as carpet cleaning, of course, we clean upholstery, we clean tile and grout, hardwood floors, mattresses. But probably the biggest thing that I believe sets us apart from everybody else is we absolutely have no hidden fees. We include everything. We don't charge to take out stains. We don't charge to deodorize. We do not charge to sanitize. We do not believe in the bait and switch marketing tactics. We want customers to feel good about us, and we want people to trust us. We will go above and beyond to make sure that our customers are 100% satisfied.